Hey everybody, it's Blue Ducky. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but here, it's exciting video about my new kitten who I just brought home. It's day one. Here's some pictures of like the journey home and some video of her playing. Her name, I decided to name her Momo, which means peach in Japanese, and I just thought it was a cute name. She is super adorable, super cuddly and sweet. Not super vocal. She does meow, but when she does, it's really low, not very loud, not very often. Um, so I have not had a cat or a kitten for probably over 15 years. I had one when I was growing up, but it's been such a long time. I wanted to be able to do a vlog of sorts of her each day, trying to make it a daily thing or at least every couple days, just to, track her growing up, see some of her cute antics playing, and, have that as a record and share it with you, viewers that I already have, or some maybe new viewers. Here she is on my bed for the first time. She was enjoying it, having a good time. She loves to climb on you and get pet. She's very friendly and likes to explore too. She's getting a little close to the edge, so I cut it off and grabbed her. I didn't want her to fall between the bed and the wall there. But here is my first time playing with her with these toys. She's not super confident with them yet. Like some things she seemed a little bit scared of. She wasn't interacting with this feather toy too much and the ball or anything else. She did seem to like the plastic bag though. Um, that was her favorite thing, I would say, off the start, probably because it made the sound. But then, see, she's like, she's kind of scared of it hiding. But then, in a little bit, she kind of got into it, and we'll see video of her playing with it a little later on. Here, she's like enjoying the plastic bag. There, she's taking some swats at it, getting a little more into that feather toy. So far, playing with her today, May 31st is her first full day at home with me. Um, she was adopted, not through an adoption agency, but uh, there was a lady whose outdoor cat had a litter, and she wasn't exactly sure the date, but she knew that she was born the first week of April. Um, so I didn't pay for her. She wasn't bought, but yeah, I'm just so happy to have her, and um, she's really cute. Here she starts playing with the ball too. There's some more of me playing with her with this feather toy. She really seems to enjoy that and the ball the most right now. The little mice toys she has, she's still kind of scared of, and even like the colored worm fuzzy, um, the worm looking attachments for this toy, she's a little bit afraid of too. She likes the feathers, she likes the balls with the with the little um with the little ringer in it, and she also was playing a little bit with the foil balls. So after playing, she had a little bit of a snack, and then she was like to, clean herself off. I did get her this pineapple shaped bed that's covered, but right now she's not too sure about it. She hasn't explored it really, and I'm not forcing her into it. She'll check it out when she wants to. She has a box that has a really soft blanket in it. Here's a look at her litter. She's already used it on her own, gone in there, known what it and did her business. And this is the food I'm feeding her right now, her bowl. And then she has a little water fountain, which I've seen her eat and drink from it. Here's her eating. She really enjoys the Kitten food, that brand. And then she also loves to climb on my legs and just chill out. She's so soft and cute, very affectionate little kitten. There's a little bit with the worm, but you can see she doesn't really like that much. And then she wasn't interested in the ball too much here either. Like she was mostly a little bit sleepy. She likes to climb up, be petted, be around people. You hear a little tiny squeak meow. She has beautiful blue eyes. I really try not to let her play with my hands because I don't want that to become a problem. So I just pet her, and when she gets a little playful with them, I try to bring out a toy to redirect it. She's not very interested in these mice, though. I try to use a foil. She looked interested a little bit, but not much. She just wanted to sit and chill. And then she likes to go back into her box and take a nap, and that's basically what we've done today, off and on, every couple hours. Get up, eat, play, sleep. Um, it's only been a day. I already love her, and she's been adjusting, it seems, very good, I think. And I'm looking forward to making more videos each day to show you guys what we're up to and what Momo is doing. And just at the end here, I'll talk to um, my already subscribers that haven't seen me in a while. Um, so normally on this channel, up to this point, I've been reviewing toys mostly, but I think really from now on, I want to make focus, at least for now, my kitten, and maybe doing some toy cat reviews with Momo and different cat products with her, seeing how she likes them. Like I said, I want to try to do at least a daily vlog with her, seeing how she, as she's growing, so you could see her playing a little bit, and just enjoying the kitten cuteness that she is. So that is my plan for my channel right now. And thank you guys for watching this video. And see you tomorrow.